I'm Brenda and welcome to my channel again. Today I will be explaining and go over with the process of how to remove or fix a small scratch on a bag. This is a leather crossbody Saint Laurent bag that I got from a consignment store for the purpose of reselling it. So I will need to fix it, clean it before I sell it. So welcome again, and I will be going through the process. Okay, we will start the process of fixing the scratch which is on the back of this bag. And I will be using a microfiber towel. It's a small towel. I will be using the leather honey or leather conditioner that I got in Amazon. I will be using also the horsehair brush for leather and my favorite leather CPR. So we're gonna start with this leather CPR. I will do it in the whole this portion of the side of the bag, but I will go a little bit concentrating the part where the scratch is, because the other parts don't have issues. It's just in the center of the bag that is the small scratch. So I'm gonna go in a circular way. And fixing all these different issues with the bag, it takes time and patience. Okay, we will remove it. And now we will apply the conditioner. Like the conditioner, the leather conditioner. Let's apply directly a little bit more conditioner. also put a little bit on the front, the conditioner. Okay. As you can see, the scratch look much better. I'm happy with the results, and it was easy and fast process, I believe. If you liked my video, please like it, and also you can subscribe to my channel, since I do share almost every day or every week. I share videos of how to fix issues with different bags, usually luxury bags like Saint Laurent or Gucci. So please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, or if you have any tips or ideas that you can share with me, please do it in my comments. I'll be glad to look at it and also reply to any questions that you might have. So thank you very much for watching my video, and have a blessed day. Bye.